Hey everybody, Matt here for Imagine Then Make. Thanks for stopping by. Just a real quick video today. I want to describe how I had to make my own very simple tool to accomplish what I found to be a very difficult task. Alright, so here's the problem. I'm holding a washer right here that has to go behind this opening. And the only way to get this washer behind this opening is by fishing it through this little slot right here. Now, I didn't have any conventional tools like long needle nose pliers or anything like that I felt like I could confidently hold on to the washer, fish it through this slot, not drop the washer, and get it into position down here so I could thread a screw through this hole, through the hole in the washer, and into the threaded part, which is behind here and you can't see. Okay, so this is what I did. I took a piece of wire. This happens to be welding wire because I was working in a shop where there's a lot of welders. It's fairly thick, but it's fairly soft, so I'm able to bend it with a pair of needle nose pliers. This bending right here is intended to be kind of a handle, so I can hang on to the wire and manipulate it when I'm moving the business end, which is going to be formed into a hook to hold the washer. Okay, so now you can see I've got the business end of the wire bent into a hook and it's holding on to the washer pretty securely. So here you have more of a close-up view of the simple wire tool holding on to the washer. Okay, so here you can see the other side of the washer and you can see how the wire is holding on to it. You can also see that the wire is not at all in the way of the hole here. So here's another view of the washer being held by the wire. Okay, so here you can see me using the tool to fish the wire through the slot. I'm trying to get it into position behind this hole so I can thread this screw through this hole, through the hole in the washer, and into the threaded part that's behind that you can't see. All right, now hopefully you can see that the washer is in position behind this hole. The tool still has a hold of the washer. Luckily, I didn't drop it. And that's the screw that's going to get put right in there. So here you can see I'm threading in the screw. The tool is still in place, so it still has a hold on the washer that's back there that you can't see. And luckily, I never dropped the washer, so this worked out great. So here you can see I've got the cap head screw in place using that hex head wrench. And then after the screw was threaded into the part that you can't see back here, I jiggled the wire and let the wire come off of the washer. And you could see that the hook got maybe bent out a little bit more, but really not that much. So this tool worked great. All right, mission accomplished. So the point of this video is to suggest to you that if you find yourself in a place where a conventional tool won't help you get your job done, think about making your own tool. It doesn't have to be fancy, it doesn't have to be expensive, just as long as it works for you.